Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Entering the United States MedTech market is a major milestone for any non-US manufacturer, offering immense opportunities for growth. However, this lucrative market is protected by a complex regulatory framework managed by the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA. Among the first hurdles you will face is establishing your official presence, which requires appointing two distinct but often confused roles: the US agent and the official correspondent. Understanding the difference is not just a matter of compliance. It is fundamental to your operational success and risk management in the US. First, let's define the US agent. The FDA mandates that any foreign establishment involved in the manufacturing or distribution of medical devices for the US market must designate a US agent. This agent must have a physical residence or place of business within the United States. Their primary function is to act as a direct point of contact for the FDA during US business hours. Think of the US agent as your emergency contact. If the FDA has an urgent inquiry, needs to schedule an inspection, or cannot reach your foreign headquarters, they will contact your US agent. This role is not merely administrative, it is a critical link in the regulatory chain. Now let's discuss the official correspondent. This role is the designated point person for all formal communication from the FDA. This includes registration confirmations, regulatory updates, and official letters. Unlike the US agent, the official correspondent does not need to be based in the US. Often, this is a regulatory affairs manager at your company's headquarters, while a foreign establishment can designate its US agent to also serve as the official correspondent. Separating these roles can be a strategic decision. Let's consider a real-world scenario that illustrates the risk of choosing the wrong partner. A European IVD company, eager to launch its new diagnostic kit in the US, appointed its primary American distributor as its US agent. They assumed this was efficient. 6 months post-launch, the FDA sent a routine inquiry regarding a batch-specific manufacturing deviation to the distributor. The distributor, focused on sales targets and logistics, missed the email for several days. When they finally responded, the information was incomplete because they lacked deep regulatory expertise. The FDA interpreted this as a failure to communicate promptly and adequately. This led to the company's products being placed on an import hold, halting all US sales for weeks and costing the company hundreds of thousands in lost revenue and remedial consulting fees. This case highlights a critical mistake: treating the US agent requirement as a box-ticking exercise. Your US agent should be a regulatory specialist, not a commercial partner. Their responsibility is to understand, filter, and immediately act on FDA communications to protect your business. A professional representative ensures that deadlines are met, responses are accurate, and potential crises are managed before they escalate. This is where specialized expertise becomes invaluable. A dedicated firm provides a layer of insulation and expertise that a distributor or a purely administrative contact cannot offer. They manage your FDA relationship proactively, ensuring compliance and uninterrupted market access. Navigating FDA requirements is complex, but with the right strategy, you can ensure a smooth and successful entry into the US market. If you have questions about appointing a US agent or require assistance with your FDA strategy, the experts at Chen-Global are here to help. Our team combines local expertise with advanced data tools to streamline global market access. Contact us for a consultation by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting our website at https:/pureglobal.com.